Welcome to Tech Zone, your one-stop portal for all the technology needs. Like our videos, subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone. So today we will be reviewing the FUJIFILM Instax Mini 9. So this is instant camera, and it will print on a photo sensitive film. This package has been ordered from Amazon, and it has been sold by Appario Retail Private Limited. So this is, if you see the stickering information, so hope you can, I'll just zoom into it. Yeah, so it is imported and marketed by FUJIFILM India Limited, and manufactured in Japan. So manufactured by FUJIFILM Corporation, Nishizabu, Minatoku, Tokyo, Japan. So the MRP as printed on the box is 5,530 Indian rupees, and the date of manufacture is March 2019, or sorry, the date of import is March 2019. Similarly, if you see the box contents here, it has the Instax camera, that is the Instax Mini 9. Then there is a hand strap, close-up lens attachment, sticker, AA battery, and an instruction manual. So now let me open the so you can have a quick look at the box. So I'll just peel off the stickers. These are basically the security stickers which I'm peeling off. So inside the box there is one this thing which says do not open the back cover until you have used up the film, otherwise the rest of the film is exposed and it turns white. The film can no longer be used. Okay, there is a caution. This is a lens attachment which has been provided. This is the camera itself. For a while we will just remove it from the blister pack and place it aside. Coming to the other box content, there is one AA battery. This is your lens attachment, and then there are some booklet and other warranty information. This is your strap. So basically this is the box content. So there are some Instax stickers which you can use. Then this is your instruction manual. Okay, another instruction manual that was in English. This is in Chinese, and this is probably the warranty card. Okay, this completes our box contents. Now coming to the strap and the lens attachments, I will show you later on. They're pretty neatly arranged, and they have given one pair of AA batteries. So now coming to the camera itself. So this is the Instax Mini 9. It has a front flash. This is your viewfinder. Then there is one concave mirror placed over the lens, just above the lens, for taking selfies. And again, if you see, this is your lens window. Now the photo paper is not included in the box, so you have to buy it separately. It is available for Indian rupees 800 to 900, or around $9 or $10. This is the slot through which your printed photograph will come out. I'll just open the back for you. You can have a look inside. So what it does is, there is a photosensitive paper which is placed inside the film pack. Now when the light enters through the lens, it is directly projected onto the photo paper, which has been placed just behind the lens. That photo paper then starts, once it is exposed to light, it starts developing, and when it comes out, it takes nearly 5 to 10 minutes to develop completely and reproduce the colors. This is your battery area, so where you can insert 2 AA batteries. And it says Fujifilm Corporation, made in China. Apart from this, you just have one. This is your button to click the photos. There are various settings here. So this is for indoor, this is for outdoor, this is for sunny area, this is for very high bright sunlight. So you can just change the modes, and accordingly you can click the photograph. So I will make a separate video wherein I will insert the film and show you the photography experience with the Instax Mini 9. This was just an unboxing. What we can do is, we can insert the batteries, and I'll just show you. It will, here there is a window which will display the number of films or your photo papers which are remaining. Usually it comes in a pack of 10. Okay. So now I have inserted the batteries, and I will just switch on the camera for you. So to turn it on, what you have to do is, you have to press this click button over here, and the lens will pop out. So you can see, so the lens pops out nearly 2 centimeters from the initial position, and then you can, it is by default it is set here at indoor, so it has sensors over here which will sense the ambient light and then select the mode automatically. But still, if you want to change, what you can do is you can just shift this and you can change the modes, and this is for your selfie and this is to click the photograph, and to turn it off you just have to press it in. So the lens cover comes out, closes the lens, and the lens goes then flush with the camera hump. So this is the quick overview of Instax Mini 9. So a full detail about the photos and the quality of the photos as well as the other functional characteristics will be uploaded subsequently. Thank you. So thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you.